Right, ignore the clattery Zafira next to me. Is Elly actually going to start today? Well, sort of. Oh, there we go. Throttle has released. Yay! Right, go and get some breakfast, and then it's competition time. Right, we've just been for a walk of the course, so now I know exactly where I've got to go. I've got to follow this little map. It's all quite clear, it's quite a simple one, really. So all I've got to do is keep my foot down and hoon. He seems to have a V6.
Thank you.
Every inch makes a difference. Every inch makes a difference. Oh, aerodynamics. Bugger.
Wrong test.
Hey?
Round the bottom, you need to come round the bottom side of these cones you went through.
Oh right, okay.
I think you've been watching the Autotest.
Yeah, well, I got the last bit wrong as well. So through.
You go between the gates going up.
Yeah.
Round the two, back down this bottom side.
Oh right, okay, that's where I went
round
wrong. Yep. Got ya. Right, let's have another go and see if we can get it right this time. Workout this. Oh, that's not bad. Take that, thank you. 47.44. Alright, third run, trying to show you how hard I'm working in there.
On your own side.
Oh, get the lock on. Heading the right way? Yes. 45.94. Who thought 29 horsepower could be this much fun? Ooh. Thank you very much. Still an improvement, I'm still taking it. 45.32. Heading the right way, thank you very much. Well, that was a whole heap of fun. I've properly got the jitters, which is what it's all about. It just goes to prove that even 29 horsepower is a huge amount of fun. Hard work though, my arms are going to be feeling this one tomorrow. Right, I need to go and do some marshalling. No cones hit. Right, I'm just warming the engine up for the afternoon run, and yeah, the challenge is on. I've managed to get my time down to 44.9 seconds, which is apparently what my mate's doing in his MX-5. It's not what the really good drivers are doing in their MX-5s who've got years of experience, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased. But it's getting harder and harder to find where that extra time is going to come from now. So yeah, bring it on. But my mate with the MX-5 informs me he's down to 38 seconds, so that's some improvement. It's his first outing in the MX-5, to be fair, and they do take a bit of getting used to, but yeah, I'm not going to be matching 38 seconds, I don't think. But let's see what the afternoon session brings. 44.03 on that run. That's not bad at all. I'm well chuffed with that. Can I get into the 43s though? Oh, this is addictive fun. If you see me grinning, it's because I'm having the time of my bloody life. Thank you. Get the lock on. And the other lock. Go. That's wheel spinning second. Hard stop. Oh. Let's see what time was. Oh, 43s. Thank you. 43.56. Oh, it's tiny amounts now, but oh, fun. Oh, I'm starting to lose the idle. I've taken the grill muff off because I think she's getting a bit warm now. Whoa, thank you. 43.4. Oh, how much time can I find? The idle is getting distinctly iffy. I'm probably upsetting the float bowls with all this corner to corner work.
Line full of cords back together. In your old time.
Ready?
Yeah.
43.15 that time round. Oh, that's not really in focus. Focus. Right, one run left. Cannot break the 42s. Oh, 43 dead. Oh, blimey, so close. Thank you. Right, they're still going out there, but I'm not. I'm going to beat a hasty retreat to Wales because Elly isn't. She's not idling at the moment. So I'm hoping once I get on the motorway, do a long stretch with her foot down, she'll suck whatever's upsetting her carburettor out, and we'll be all right. We're doing 65 miles an hour. We are travelling along the M65 on our way home. It's 142 miles to go. This camera mate is very shaky, I know. Elly is on the verge of hitting 206,000 miles. Poor thing's been thrashed around all day. Oh. The reason I've retired today wasn't so much because the engine wasn't idling. Something feels very loose on the offside front suspension. It needs investigating. I don't like it very much. I just say the joy of the self-healing cars. The first time we've stopped since we left the Autotest, and I think of an idle again. Now in Newtown, this knocking noise is getting worse. The broken roads of Newtown and exposing the weaknesses in my suspension. And there we go. She's idling happily. She's covered over 140 miles since we left the Autotest. That appears to be a Honda. We are indeed home. So, turn those off. We can turn that off. Oh, and relax. And I can say, yeah, that's the end of this crazy weekend of many miles on an Autosolo in a 2CV. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea and a bit of a sit down, some peace and quiet, and catch up with an old friend. Farewell. Well, I've found the source of the hideous clonk. We've got a bolt missing out of this panel, which covers the arm bearing and importantly holds the shock absorber. So the first bit of movement is going on moving this against the arm, which is why it's clonking and feeling absolutely horrendous as I'm driving along.